Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Burp Suite latest version, that is 2025.10 on Windows operating systems. Okay, first go to Burp Suite official website, that is portswigger.net. Then products, then select the Burp Suite. Community is the open source section, click on it, then click on go straight to downloads. See, this is the latest stable version, that is 2025.10.1. Then select the edition, community, then select the platform, Windows or Linux, Mac. Okay, I'm on Windows operating systems, so select Windows, then click on download. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 336 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Burp Suite community edition. See, download is completed. Now click on the exe file. Click on next. See, this is the installation location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the location. Okay. See, this is the required disk space. Then click on next. If you want to create a start menu folder, you have to select the checkbox. Okay, I want, so click on next. See, installation has been started. It is very simple and straightforward installation. See, installation completed. Click on finish. Now go to all applications, go to the, see here we have the Burp Suite community edition. Click on it to open. See here we have two options, use Burp Suite defaults or load from the configuration. If you have configuration file, click on this, select this button and click on choose file and select the file. I don't have at this moment. Then click on start burn. See here the version, see here the version 2025.10. If you want to open new live task, you have to click on here. See here we have the different options, proxy, others. Okay, see here intruder, collaborator, sequence, other options. Okay, you can go through the documentation and you can practice. See here we have the few examples. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Burp Suite latest version 2025.10 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.